Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.6% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US economic activity saw little or no change from December through early January, while firms reported pricing pressures were mixed and nearly all cited signs of a cooling labour market. At least $24.2 billion worth of crypto was sent to illicit crypto wallet addresses in 2023, including addresses identified as sanctioned or linked to terrorist financing and scams, crypto firm Chainalysis said. The dollar index climbed for a fifth straight session after labour market data showed job growth, keeping expectations for an interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve in check.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US existing home sales will be released at 1500 hours GMT, the UK's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT, Germany's Producer Price Index at 0700 hours GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.